So today's video isn't really a devlog, I think, but it's still related to my game, because I've spent this week making a Steam page for the game. This will be a shorter video as I've just been working on making the Steam page. So let's get into it. So to publish a game to Steam, it obviously needs a name. So this is something I've been thinking about for a while. I've had different titles in mind, but I eventually decided to settle with Bite the Dust. I think it's a fitting name, as you could get sent all the way back to start if you make a mistake. And also bite, because you're playing as a robot. Now, with that out of the way, I could start working on the actual Steam page. I'm not really sure if I'm allowed to show anything on here, so I'll just keep it simple for now. So Steam provides you with a checklist of stuff you need to do before you can publish your Steam page. Like adding pictures, descriptions, and tag your game genre, and so on. I got to work and started filling out the necessary fields. That was the easy part. You see, Steam needs a lot of assets and capsule art in different sizes. These are used around the Steam store and in the library. Now, I'm not really an artist, but I still made some simple capsules and logos for the game. Ideally, you should get someone with experience to create these, as they are really important for the sales of your game. Because these capsules are what the customers see when browsing the Steam store. So having good art that stands out will help you a lot. Since this is my first game, I didn't bother with hiring an artist, as I don't think my game is gonna sell that much anyway. For me, getting the experience and just having a game I created on Steam is good enough for me. Anything else would just be a bonus. Maybe if I make another game at some point, I would hire people to help me with the game marketing and stuff, but for this project I want everything to be created by myself, as this is a learning experience for me. After creating all the artwork and uploading it to the correct places, I went on to the tagging system for the game. So since my game is inspired by Jump King and Getting Over It, I looked into their tags and applied the tags that they had for their game that also applied for my game. Again, this is something you should consider doing, as Steam recommends games to users based on what kind of game they're playing. So tagging the game correctly is really important. You don't want your game to pop up in the wrong customer's feed. So in my case, I want the game to appear for users that like those kinds of games, like Jump King, because that is the target audience that is most likely going to enjoy my game as well. With that out of the way, I made a simple looking page, added some descriptions and pictures. And I also sent it in for review. The Steam page can't go online before it has passed the reviews, so as of this recording it hasn't passed yet. According to Steam, it only takes 2 to 3 days to get this done, so I will update the video description as soon as it's passed the review. I think the page is nice for now, but it might see some changes as development continues. That's pretty much all I have for this week. I need to get back into developing the game, and now that I have a Steam page, everything kinda got a little extra serious all of a sudden. At least for me. Now going forward, I really need to lock in and finish the game. I want to end this video by thanking everyone that has been watching and cheering me on. You guys have been nothing but kind to me, and all the support has motivated me to keep working on this game. It's been a blast, and I feel like I'm improving quickly. There's a lot of ideas I have for future projects that I can't wait to create, but those will have to wait until Bite the Dust is finished. As always, please consider leaving a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video.